Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change about me on Discord. What you need to do, first just go to Discord and log in your account, and then you click here in this icon, user settings. After that, click here, user profile. Now here you can change avatar, and here about me. You can use markdown and links if you would like. Here just type what you want to write about me. For example, if I type hello everybody, my name, etc, etc, and then just click here, save changes, and you can see it's shows here about me, hello everybody. After that, just click save changes. This is what you need to do if you want to change about me on Discord. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.